Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we are going to discuss expression designing using case function that converts the string into lowercase. Let's get started. Navigate to the Setup Column Attributes section, where you will find a list of available columns. To create an expression using functions, click on the Add or Edit Expression button. This will open the script editor, where you can write your expression using predefined functions. Always begin your script with the keyword #@lscript. To add a new expression, click on the Add button, indicated by a plus sign. You will need to define the expression name and choose its type, which can either be text or numeric, depending on the nature of your expression. Once the expression is created, double-click on it to insert it into the script editor. Now, let's define a simple expression using lcase function that converts the text in lowercase. To use the lcase function, start by typing the keyword lcase, followed by an opening bracket. Then, enter the parameter name and brackets close. After writing the expression, save it. Scroll down to check the box next to the newly created expression. You will now see the expression column added to the grid. Let's review the result. Since we used the item name field in our expression, the column now displays the item name in lowercase. In a similar way, we can also add expression columns in reports. First, navigate to the reporting section and open the sales register detailed report. Just like we did earlier in the documents section, go to Setup Column Attributes to proceed with adding the expression. Before proceeding, we need to make a small change in the configuration. Go to Other Settings and here, set the script editor to VBScript for better performance. By default, whenever you create a new configuration, the script window is set to VBScript. However, if it is not set by default, you can manually go to Other Settings and change it to VBScript. Refresh the report. Once you have saved the configuration, return to the Setup Column Attributes section and click on Add or Edit Expression Columns to proceed. Make sure to begin the script with the required keyword at the top, #lscript. This should always be included at the beginning of the script. To define a new expression, simply click on the Add New Expression button. Enter the expression name and select the type, either text or numeric, depending on the nature of the expression. After that, double-click on the newly created expression to insert it into the script editor. Now, define the expression using the lcase function that will convert the text in lowercase. To apply the function, type lcase keyword followed by an opening bracket. Then, enter the field name and brackets close. Save the expression once it's defined. Next, scroll down and check the box to enable the column in the report. Finally, refresh the report. You can observe that the lcase function has converted item names to lowercase as per the defined expression. Any text already in lowercase remains unchanged.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.